Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious collard green egg rolls. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh collard greens, a half cup of chicken broth, and your favorite smoked meat like turkey or ham hocks for that authentic flavor. Don't forget the egg roll wrappers and essential seasonings. This guide will walk you through each step to create a truly unique and satisfying appetizer or side dish. Now let's prepare those collard greens. Begin by washing and destemming them carefully to ensure no grit remains. Then, chop them into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 inch in size. Sauté your greens with aromatic onions and garlic until they become tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Finally, add a half cup of chicken broth and simmer until most of the liquid has been absorbed, concentrating the flavors. It's time to assemble your egg rolls. Lay an egg roll wrapper flat, positioning it like a diamond. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious collard green mixture near the bottom corner. Fold that corner over the filling, then bring in the 2 side corners, making sure they are snug. Finally, roll the wrapper up firmly towards the top corner, sealing the edge with a tiny bit of water to secure it. Now for the grand finale, cooking and serving. You can fry your egg rolls in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. For a lighter option, bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. Serve these unique and flavorful collard green egg rolls warm with your favorite spicy dipping sauce for an unforgettable treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.